Hey everybody, I'm Andrew with Wolfram Manufacturing in Austin, Texas. We're using Cairn Engineering's TMAC on a Swiss machine here. We're using 5 power sensors and 2 vibration sensors to monitor every single cutting tool during this process. We're doing that for a few reasons. One is we want to stop the machine as soon as the tool breaks. We want to save tool bodies. We don't want to misalign our tool gangs or our rear spindle. And also we don't want broken tools rubbing on steel and potentially causing a fire inside our machine cabinet. But even before a tool breaks, we're using these sensors and TMAC to stop the machine when a tool is worn, to alert a user to say, hey, your tooling is worn, you need to change the tool before it breaks, and before we make a pile of bad parts. The speed at which Swiss Machines produces parts is incredible, but it also has the power to make a bunch of out-of-spec parts very quickly as well and waste material. A TMAC wear limit keeps us from doing that.